Here are a few ways to make money as a teenager. Here are some great ways for teenagers to make money, depending on interests, skills, and resources. Traditional part-time jobs. Retail or food service jobs. Work as a cashier, sales associate, or server in stores or restaurants. Babysitting. Offer childcare services for families in your community. Pet sitting or dog walking. Care for pets while owners are away or take dogs on walks. Yard work or gardening. Help neighbors with mowing lawns, raking leaves, or planting gardens. Tutoring. Assist younger students in subjects like math, science, or English. Online opportunities. Freelance services. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for graphic design, writing, or video editing tasks. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for small businesses. Online surveys or market research. Participate in paid surveys on platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or blog that can earn money through ads or sponsorships. Sell products on marketplaces. Use eBay, Etsy, or Depop to sell handmade items, vintage clothing, or other products. Creative ways. Photography. Take photos and sell them to stock photo websites like Shutterstock. Crafts or art. Create and sell crafts, paintings, or custom items locally or online. Car washing and detailing. Offer services to friends, family, or neighbors. Tech help. Assist others with setting up gadgets or troubleshooting tech problems. Rent out items. Rent items like bikes, tools, or gaming consoles to friends. Seasonal work. Lifeguarding. Work at local pools or beaches during the summer. Holiday helper. Wrap gifts, work in holiday-themed shops, or shovel snow in the winter. Farm or harvest work. Assist with picking fruits or vegetables during harvest seasons. Entrepreneurial ideas. Start a small business. Create a service or product that addresses a need in your community. Organize events. Plan birthday parties, small gatherings, or local meetups. Flip items. Buy items at thrift stores or garage sales, then resell them online for profit. Skills-based ideas. Music lessons. Teach an instrument to beginners. Sports coaching. Help younger kids improve their skills in a sport you're good at. Coding or web design. Build websites or apps for small businesses or individuals. Virtual assistant. Help with scheduling, email management, or other administrative tasks remotely. Tips for success. Spread the word. Use social media, word of mouth, and flyers to advertise your services. Be reliable. Build trust with customers by showing up on time and delivering quality work. Set fair prices. Research what others charge and set reasonable rates.